Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can create transitions for your video to be your Instagram content. So here I already have this video. This is just a normal video, but I would like to add some transition over it so that it can be more engaging. You just need to tap into this video clip and tap into this style, and then you just need to find flash. Swipe into the left side until you got flash, and then you just need to tap on it, and you just need to go click cancels, tap it again, and you can also add the sounds here. It's just depending to what you want here. This button, and then you will got right away the transitions. I would like to hide the volume first, and this is what we got. If it doesn't appear, just tap on the clip again and click style, and then just go tap flash and wait until the transition is being applied into your clip. And now this is what we got. So that is for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.